everyone! Welcome back to How To, where we dive into the quirks and joys of relationships. Today's topic: how to talk to your boyfriend when he's going through his man period. Yep, you heard it right. Before we jump into the fun, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more relationship insights. Let's get started. When your boyfriend is going through a tough time, for whatever reason, the most important thing is to be supportive and empathetic. Show that you are there for him and that you are willing to listen if he wants to talk. Here are a few general tips for communicating with your boyfriend when he is going through a challenging time. Create a safe space. Let him know that you are there for him and that he can talk to you about anything. Make sure he feels comfortable opening up to you without fear of judgment. Listen actively. When he does open up, listen actively to what he is saying. Show genuine interest and concern for his feelings. Sometimes just having someone to listen can make a big difference. Avoid judgment. Refrain from judging him or his feelings. Everyone experiences difficult times differently, and it's important to respect his emotions and perspectives, even if they differ from your own. Offer support. Show your support in practical ways. Offer to spend time with him, help him with tasks, or just be there in whatever capacity he needs. Sometimes actions speak louder than words. Be patient. Understand that he may not be ready to talk immediately or may need some time to process his feelings. Give him the space he needs while also letting him know you're there when he is ready. Setting the scene. All right, let's set the scene. We've all been there when our boyfriends seem to be going through some mysterious man period. Mood swings, cravings, the whole 9 yards. How do we navigate this emotional roller coaster? Let's find out. The art of understanding. First up, the art of understanding. Just like women, guys can have off days too. It's crucial to approach the situation with empathy and a good sense of humor. Sometimes a simple acknowledgement that he might be feeling a bit off can go a long way. Communicate, but keep it light. Communication is key, even during man periods. But let's keep it light. Ask how he's feeling, and if he's comfortable, share a laugh about the whole concept. Remember, humor can be a great stress reliever. Offer supportive gestures. Offer supportive gestures. Maybe surprise him with his favorite snack, put on his favorite movie, or suggest a relaxing activity together. Small gestures can make a big difference. Know when to give space. Know when to give space. Sometimes a bit of alone time can be beneficial. Respect his need for space and let him recharge if that's what he needs. Express your love. Reassure him of your love and support. Sometimes a simple, "I'm here for you," can make a world of difference. The power of snacks. And let's not underestimate the power of snacks. Just like with any period, cravings might kick in. Have his favorite snacks on hand, and you might just earn some extra brownie points. In conclusion, navigating your boyfriend's man period is all about understanding, communication, and a good dose of humor. If you found these tips amusing or relatable, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more relationship fun. Until next time, happy man period navigating. Thanks for joining us on How To. Subscribe, stay lighthearted, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.